Welcome to this class, dear learners. In this class, the topic is naming word noun. Dear students, whatever we see, whatever we feel, whatever we touch, whatever we notice, whatever we recognize, whatever we realize, we give them a name in order to avoid confusion. And this name is called noun. So very frequently it is said noun is a naming word. But in actual sense, when you define a noun is the name of person, place or things. You have got this definition in the earlier video. Today I am going to discuss the topic related to the types of noun. That what are the types of noun? The types of noun, in fact, we have got 4 types of noun. First one is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is abstract noun, and fourth one is collective noun. When we were a student, we had learnt one more noun that was called material noun. But nowadays, in modern English grammar, material noun has been omitted because on the basis of counting or on the basis of number, modern grammarians have already divided noun into 2 categories, countable and uncountable noun, and in uncountable noun, material noun already comes. So we will discuss only 4 types of noun. Common noun. When we were learning in college, we had common rooms in our college. Girls' common room, boys' common rooms. And whenever there is leisure in our college, the period is not there. At that time we were resting in that particular common room, and in that common room the students of any class were allowed to sit, read or even enjoy. So common means something which belongs to many. Common means something which belongs to many, or you can also say in another way that something which is shared by all. If your father buys a television, that television is common. Everyone in the family can watch and see the television. That is common. So common means, always remember, which belongs to many or which is shared by all. Here when you have to define common noun, same sense will lie there, but definition will slightly change. I call that, simply called you to think that noun is a naming word. So what is common noun? What is common noun? How can you define it? I simply say the generic name which is given to a person, place or thing is called common noun. The generic name, that means the general name, the common name which can be shared by all, given to a person, place or thing is common noun. Traditional grammar says that the noun which refers to entire species, entire communities, that is called common noun. Country, country is a place. Cow, cow can be person. And things can be, it is very interesting to discuss. What is thing? Dear fellows, can you tell me what is thing? You will simply guess that all the non-living things are things. But I am slightly going aberrated to define things. Whatever you see, whatever you feel, whatever you touch, whatever you notice, whatever you recognize, whatever you realize, and whatever you may think of, I put a stress on this. Whatever you may think of, all are things. So, noun is the name of person, place and thing, and common noun is the general name given to certain communities, certain species, certain places, certain persons. They are common noun. And proper noun may, if the concept of common noun is clear in your mind, then you can easily define proper noun. Very simple. That one is in the case of common noun, you are saying that it is a generic name. And here in proper noun, you say that when a special name is given to a common noun, when a special name is given to a common noun, then it is proper noun. It becomes particular. If you have made a cow your pet, your domestic animal, and you are giving her a special name, Moti. This Moti is proper noun and cow is common noun. Country, that is common noun because all other nations can also say that they are countries. But when you say India, it is a special name given to a country. That's why it is a proper noun. Newspaper, there are several newspapers that you read. But in that newspaper, if you give a newspaper a special name, the Times of India, the Tribune, the Guardian, then these are proper noun. Clear? Sometimes questions in competition can be given that cite a proper noun for these common nouns. The common nouns are given and you have to find out a proper noun for all those common nouns. In competition, such types of questions can come. So two types of noun we have now come across. The third type is very interesting and slightly required your greater attention. It is abstract noun. Two types of things you can find. One is substantial, one is abstract. One is tangible, one is intangible. So substantial and abstract, tangible and intangible. Abstract, even in a standard below the standard class 10, certain chapters have been given in literature portion that are a part of a big novel or a big play or a big drama. And there it is written an abstract of the Merchant of Venice. We have read Shylock, and before Shylock, the title of the chapter was Shylock, and before that it was written an abstract from Merchant of Venice. Abstract. That means that particular chapter was taken from that bigger drama, bigger plays, Merchant of Venice. Sometimes you consider a quality with a person, place or thing. But sometimes you do not consider a quality with person, place or thing. You simply separate that quality from person, place or thing, and your separation is meant for that quality in general. That quality in general. The adjective is beautiful. The adjective is beautiful. You are saying that she is a very beautiful girl. This adjective is with noun, girl. And it is not used in general way. Now, you are abstracting a particular quality, the essence of that quality, beauty, from beautiful. And beauty is a noun. You have abstracted is from beautiful, which is an adjective. And now you consider this quality beauty apart from other person, place or thing. See the sentence I am saying. The sentence is, beauty is to see, not to touch. Because if you touch, you will simply mar the beauty of that particular thing or person. So it is said that beauty is to see, not to touch. You just enjoy to see the beauty of something. Don't touch because it will get dirty. So here beauty, this particular quality has been not used with a noun, any noun or pronoun. This quality has been considered apart from person, place or thing in general sense. This is beauty. This is abstract noun. So, the best way to define abstract noun is the noun which is taken off from an adjective, another common noun, or from verb. The noun which we derive from verb, adjective or some other common noun is called abstract noun. From still, it is a verb, it is an action. You are deriving a noun, stilt. Stilt is abstract noun. Right? Adjective from beautiful, I have already discussed. From beautiful, you are deriving a noun which is called beauty. Beauty is an abstract noun. From another common noun like child, you are deriving a noun, childhood. This is an abstract noun. So, abstract noun is always intangible. You cannot touch abstract noun. Right? You cannot touch it because it is not substantial. Abstract noun is always intangible, always abstract in nature, not substantial in nature. So, general people say that the noun of feeling, emotion and a state, and I say, I add, the noun of action, the noun of quality, the noun of intangibility, and the noun of feeling, emotions and state is called abstract noun. I hope the concept of abstract noun is clear by now. Okay. Now the fourth one is collective noun. Actually sometimes it is kept in third number, but to me abstract noun was more important. That's why I kept it in third number and I am putting it in fourth number, this collective noun, because it is very easy to understand. A person, a place or a thing can form a group. And when they form a group, you require to give a special name to that group. So the name given to a group of person, place or thing of same sort or of similar kind is called collective noun. A group of MPs form what as a collective noun? Parliament. Ministers form a group and that is called cabinet. You collect all the keys of your house meant for different locks and you give this collection a name and that name is bunch. So bunch is a collective noun. People gathered together in huge number. This form a collection, this form a group, and this group is called crowd. Sometimes people become violent in crowd. Then such a crowd of violent people is called mob. There are several boats floating in a lake at the same time. This also forms a group, and this group is called what? Flotilla of boats. Flotilla. You fire shots after shots of bullets. This is also collection of bullets. This collection of bullets is called volley. There are more than 10 persons to carry a flight. This group of pilots is called crew. Same is in the case of ships. This is also called crew. So, to have an educated speech or to have an educated writing, it is necessary that you should know what exactly the group of a particular person, place or thing is called. You cannot tell a group of people horde. You will have to call only crowd. And then you cannot call a group of cattle crowd. It is only horde. So it is necessary to have the good and correct idea of collective noun. In competitive examination, it is important to know, and several questions are asked regarding this. It may be of multiple choices, but question is put up. I think the types of noun is clear. I took very much time, but it was needed to explain the types of noun correctly. Bye bye. Thank you.